Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So start it. What is SAP Dispatcher?
SAP Dispatcher is the control agent that manages the resources for the R3 applications.
Explain about the two services that are used to deal with communication.
Message service used by the application server to exchange short internal messages or system communications. Gateway service enables communication between R3 and external applications using CPI-C protocol.
What are the different layers in R3 system?
Presentation layer, application layer, database layer.
Okay, your next question is from hardware perspective. Every information system can be divided into three task areas: presentation, application logic, and data storage.
The R3 basis software is highly suitable for use in multi-level client-server architectures.
What is a client in SAP terminology?
Uh, SW component, SW. Sorry, sir. I don't know the answer of this question. I'm unable to give the answer of this question. Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir. Sorry, sir.
Expand CPI-C.
Common program interface communication.
Dialog work processes perform only one dialog step and then available for the next request.
The dialog. The dialog. Sir, what was the answer? What was the answer? Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, I'm unable to give the answer of this question. I don't know, sir.
What are the central interfaces of the R3 system?
Presentation interface, database interface, operating in system interface.
What are the function of dispatcher?
Equal distribution of transaction load to the work processes, management of buffer areas in main memory, integration of the presentation levels, organization of communication activities.
Which work process triggers database changes?
Update work process.
What are the phases of background processing?
Job scheduling, job processing, job overview.
What are R3 basis configuration?
Center. What was the answer? What the answer is? Sorry, sir. I don't know the answer of this question. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
What is a SAP system?
Union of all SW components that are assigned to the same databases is called as a SAP system.
What is a spool request?
Spool requests are generated during dialog or background processing and placed in the spool database with information about the printer and print format. The actual data is placed in the TAMC temporally sequential objects.
Explain what is a transaction in SAP terminology.
Transaction is in terminology. Uh, Sorry, sir. I don't know the answer of this question. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Which interface controls what is shown on the PC?
Presentation interface.
What is a work process?
A work process is where individual dialog steps are actually proceed and the work is done. Each work process handles one type of request.
Define service within R3.
Uh, the define the a server is process or group of sorry, sir. I don't know the answer of this question, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, your next question is what components of the RE system initiate the start of background jobs at the specified time?
Batch scheduler initiates the start of background job. The dispatcher then sends this request to an available background work process for processing.
What is a service in SAP terminology?
A service refers to something offered by a SW component.
What is the means of communications between R3 and external application?
Communication between R2, R3 and external application is via the CPIC handler or SAP gateway using the CPIC protocol.
What are the different types of log records?
V1 and V2. V1 must be proceed before V2, but we can have more than one V2 locks.
Explain how SAP GUI handles output screen for the user.
The SAP front SW either run or on the same computer or what the answer was. What was the sorry sir, I can't give the answer of this question, sir. I don't I forgot it, sir. Sorry sir. Sorry sir, I forgot.
Which interface converts SQL requirements in the SAP development system to those of the database?
Database interface.
Name various work processes of R3 system.
uh, dialogue or online and what was the answer of this question? Sorry sir, I forgot it, the answer of this question. Sorry sir.
What are the roles and page areas?
Roles and page areas are SAP R3 buffers used to store user context process requests. The SAP dispatcher assigns process requests to work processes as they are queued in the role and page areas. Paging area holds data from the application programs. Role area holds data from previous dialog steps and data that characterize the user.
Define instance.
An instance is an instance is an sorry sir, I don't know the answer, sir. Sorry sir.
What is a service in SAP terminology?
A component can consist of one process or a group and is then called the server for the respective service.
What is the protocol used by SAP Gateway process?
The SAP Gateway process communicates with the clients based on the TCP/IP protocol.
What are the types of update requests?
Update request can be divided into one primary V1 and several secondary update components V2. Time critical operations are placed in V1 component and those whose timing is less critical are placed in V2 component. If a V1 update fails, V2 components will not be proceed.